You might be in a position where for some reason your AirPod lights are not turning on. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but the reason why my AirPod lights are not turning on here is because of one of the most common reasons why this happens, and it's because your AirPods are completely dead. So this is going to be the most casual way of fixing it. This is a non-issue. It's not a big deal. The reason why your AirPods are dead, it could be a lot of things. Maybe you were using your AirPods all the time, and there can actually be a lot of cases where your AirPods themselves still have battery, but your case is just dead. So if your light here or your light here within the case is not turning on, this is probably going to be the reason why. And I'll go ahead and show you. So what you want to do is you want to grab your AirPods, and you can either wirelessly charge them if you want to, or you can just plug them in at the bottom. So I do have my charger right here, and I'm going to go ahead and plug them in. And you can see the light does not turn on. No matter what I do, I can click the buttons. It doesn't really matter. Nothing's going to turn on, right? So if I go ahead and actually plug in my AirPod to my actual charger, you'll see that the light will now magically turn on. So this is basically it. This is the most common reason why this is happening, and that's probably all you're going to have to do. Now if I go and show my case, you can see the light will probably end up turning off at some point, but this is the best case scenario. Now let's say you do this and it's not working. Let's say you're going through and the AirPods lights are still not turning on. Well, another thing you may just want to go ahead and try and just make sure that your specific AirPods are connected to your device, and also making sure you're using a proper connection to your specific, wire. If you're using a bad quality wire or the wire is not working at all, well, that is probably going to be the problem. Just double check, unplug your specific AirPods, and then plug it into another iPhone and see if that charges it. If that doesn't charge it either, then it's a problem with the wire. However, if your AirPods are still not functioning, let's say you plugging them and it's not working, you may just want to ask yourself, did you recently submerge these things in water? Did you recently mess these things up? I haven't charged these AirPods in probably over 2 months, and probably even 3 months now. I don't think I've charged these yet this year. So because of that, these AirPods should have probably taken a second or two to register the charge. It was instant. So if your AirPods aren't really turning on, or they're not showing a light after a few seconds being plugged in, or even a few minutes, well then these AirPods may have a problem. You may want to hold down this back button for a little bit and see if it turns on, but that may end up being the issue, and you may just want to go and repair them to your iPhone. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.